turn left.
The green body in the garage will be used when it is eventually finished. This is a body that I have for spares and for reference when I am putting the other body together again. Don't want to get rid of it before I am finished repairing the green body inside the garage. I am tired of having it just sitting in front of the house. And probably the wife too. So why not put it to use in the meantime? It could be fun to be able to use the car before I eventually am finished welding the green body. And it will be very useful to work out all the technical stuff now and not on a car body with fresh paint. Issues with axles, dips, gearbox, engine, leaks, electronics. Having all of that tested and figured out at this stage. I think it will save me time and grief in the long run. And it doesn't hurt to be able to take a break from welding and grinding. And still get progress on the project. Sorry for the dark light condition. But it is November and this Norway after all. Touchdown. It was a little fiddly to get the bolts through. But by the magic of editing it went really fast. If I had some more equipment, I would have used the ATV from the outside and winched the car all the way. But I need all the exercise I can get anyway.